Hey, and welcome to your next tutorial. This one will be about better way to do faces, then solidifying, and texturing. So, yeah. So you spawn in with your little cube here, and when you export it to Roblox, you notice half the faces are invisible. So, your solution from the previous video is to solidify it, but that thing is ineffective and makes 2 times more triangles. So the more efficient way is to just change the face's direction so that they're all pointing in the right direction. So if you go up and press N, close all these, go to shading, backface culling. As you can see here, I just made 2 more faces, but they're not facing the correct direction. So we want our walls, like our player is going to be right here, just walking along this wall, but they see this is invisible. But on this side, which the player is never going to be on, they're never ever going to be on this side. So they don't have to see that this is here. So we just turn the faces around so that they can see it on the correct side. And how you do that, go to edit mode, select faces, select the faces you want to turn around, and press Control N and assign, inside. There you go. That's how you change the direction of your faces. Super easy. If you want to change it the other direction, just click it again and press Control N. There you go. So instead of solidifying, just make sure all your faces are the right direction. Next up is texturing. Let's go to File Import. Oh shit. And import an OBJ. Okay, so you want to like color this gun, right? But my other video has some glitches for texturing. So this will be what finishes it. Face pulling. Press end, you don't need that anymore. So take over that, open up your image editor, and so go to this one. Select all of them, then view, white map pack, okay. Whoa, that's a lot of fucking faces. So color grid, just do what you usually did, and then go to camera and just bake it. And this is how we always do it. I mean, this is how we did it last video. So you should know how to do that. So it's all white, but it's not colored. So go back to this and click on texture so that you can see it. Now, for painting, the other thing, like actually painting it instead of just doing that, and this one will be more efficient than the other way. Just go to this thing and click paint, click on T so you can get these. And so I want like 5 main colors inside my gun, basically. So first color is going to be like green. So I'm going to paint right here green. My next color is going to be blue. So paint here blue. Next color, maybe like teal. And red. And simply yellow. So now your gun kind of looks autistic as shit. So now we can select which faces are which color. So you go to B, select the faces you want, and inside of here, if you go back to view, now you can move them all into the right one. So click on all of them, press G so you can move them. But whoa, bro, this thing is not going to work. So just size it down if you need to. Just like push it in there. Get your other side. And just basically select all of them. Just size them down. Just stick them in there. Hold up. Actually, undo all that. Make sure you do it all at once. Don't do like multiple times, because then you get them really small. So get them all at once. Everything you need. So I'm gonna just do everything from right here and behind. Make sure you got them all selected. It can be a pain in the ass. And Octopus, the one that made this gun, is kind of autistic, because this spot is flat, but there's 4 faces. Like, what the fuck, dude? So you got all selected, right? And now you go over here, press A, and then S to resize it down, G to move it, get as big as you can. There we go. Now the whole back part's green, except this part. So this would be much easier if you didn't like make so many faces. Just grab them and push them in. Now on the front side, I'm going to make this red. I'm not going to do it perfect though, so you select them all again, size them down, G them over here. Actually, yeah, I want them red. I forgot. And then maybe like the center of this gun. Okay, this last one I'm coloring because maybe I want this part to be like blue. Hold up. Get the other side too. And the top. And then the bottom. Now I select it all and size it down. And I move it to the blue area. And boom, now you know how to do your coloring much better than the last video. Because now you won't get random colors, like you won't get random lines everywhere, and it will just be perfect now. So, yes. Thank you for watching.